Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change fonts in Wix. Let's get started. So to do that, as you can see right here, I have opened the Wix website editor and I have here some text that I want to change the font. So for example, I want to change the font of this text right here. You just need to click on that specific text right there. Then once you have clicked on that, you will be able to see this quick edit option. But make sure to not click that because we just need to click on this text right here in order to open another set of settings right here like this one. So for this, what we can do is you just need to click on this edit text right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will open this text settings that will allow us to change the fonts. Here you can see the fonts, so just click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, just click on the font that you want to change it into. So for example, I want to change it into this one. And then as you can see, it has been changed just like this. You can also change the font size by just heading over to the text settings. And it totally depends on what you want the font it to be. So you can change the font size, you can change the fonts right here in the text settings. So you can do everything right here. You can change the bold and everything. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change font at Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!